before we hit the end of the hour. Hey, G, San Diego, welcome to the show. What say you?
Hey, good morning, Josh. How are you?
Good.
I don't know if I can follow after Lauren with that passion. My goodness.
Oh, she's awesome. I did. Lauren is just so cool.
Well, you guys started talking about God, and I had to jump in because you know me, and I know you don't like to get all spiritual with your shows, but we're leaning that way. And with everything that's happening in the world, I was talking against people, and I know every generation says this, Josh, but how they all start thinking it's the end of the world, and they start talking about the Bible. But what are your thoughts on this, and what's your feeling with people that you know? Because I don't know, either people are saying, yeah, they think so because, China's getting involved now, and now it's Russia and China and Iran. And the technology that we have, the stuff the government doesn't even tell us that we have, it's pretty scary to the point that now it's like, wow, I'm really to the point that I'm getting freaked out. I don't know about you, but I really am. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, I have a couple thoughts. There have been some alternative journalists who in the past few days have released these reports about China getting involved. If we go and grab a show from a year ago, this show, we talked about China getting involved, and we were ahead of everybody, so I'm proud to say that. I think there's two sides to this. One, if you have a spiritual walk where you know how this ends, then you shouldn't really be afraid. And now that doesn't mean you shouldn't be, spurred, agitated, anxious. Obviously that's going to happen. Now, what's my take on it? My take is that this could turn biblically bad really quickly. Really, really quickly. And the actions by the president actually aid those suspicions. Because he's not listening to reason. He's not listening to evidence. He's not even listening to his own administration. And we have, like you said, Russia and China, which actually play into the end times thing. So maybe I'll bring this up in the second part of the second hour. Little Tim Hawkins as we head out. We'll be back right after this.
Unique. Deep.
The parents are the two